We are very excited to be in Asia Pacific. It's one of the most vibrant regions in the world, a great diversity of people, of cultures, of countries. Very, very exciting in the sense of how people use communication solutions in terms of not just making calls or surfing the internet, but they use it to manage their lives, their businesses, their relationships. Countries use it for social and economic growth, which makes it a very, very interesting part of the world to do business in. And in fact, we are not new to this part of the world. We have been in Asia Pacific for several decades, tracing our journey back to the time when we supplied broadcast solutions in the region, and then more recently, with the onset of mobility, supplying mobile communication antennas to several customers around the region. Chances are, when you make a mobile call in the region, it passes through somehow through Kathrein equipment. We do production in the region, so we have manufacturing facilities, which makes us more agile, lets us respond to our customers that much more quickly. And now we are setting up a brand new regional headquarters in Singapore, which will help our customers even further as we get closer to them, build strong relationships, and are able to respond much more quickly. We actually have a three-layered value proposition for our customers: technology, business, and end users. Let's take them one by one. So first of all, technology. What's happening in the networks at the moment is that one, convergence is happening. So most people now want to use their devices, want to access their services wherever they are, regardless of the time of day. And that places significant demands on the network. The networks are also becoming more complex. There are more frequency bands. You need to get indoor coverage done. You need to make sure the outdoor coverage is good as well. For us, that means that with almost 100 years of history in this business, with German engineering behind it, we can offer extremely reliable products, high quality, and innovation to our customers. So that's the technology part of the value that we offer to our customers. The second one is the business value. Our customers need to be certain that when they pay for a solution, that solution will give them the best total cost of ownership, TCO, as well as the best total value ownership. So the actual value that they derive in terms of performance from that solution. We assure that as well. With our solutions, we can deploy the solution once and then literally forget about it. It will just work almost forever. And the final one is the end user value. And it's interesting what one of our senior customers said to me just the other day, and they said that the products and the technologies that we represent are actually at the sharp edge of the network. They are at a point where the network meets the end user. And that means that we are in a very direct position to influence how the end users experience the network. Very, very important, very valuable capability for our customers. So those three drivers of value: technology, business, and end user satisfaction. As the technology and innovation leader, there are several ways in which we can help our customers, and indeed are doing so. Let me take those one by one. So first of all, when we look at the networks now, they are actually facing an unprecedented load, the requirements to handle large volumes of video traffic, for example, the need for resilience, the need to be real time, and so on. And this requires a fairly strong technical capability, which is what we bring to the table, to build what we are calling gigabit networks. Networks which are capable of handling vast volumes of data without a problem. Second, when it comes to the actual network architectures, particularly when we talk about smart cities or this massive trend towards urbanization within Asia Pacific, then we find that, first of all, when you look at the outdoor network, there is a need to optimize that network for superior performance. There's a need to densify that network, meaning that the network now needs to reach places which it wasn't reaching before. So as an example, one of the innovative products that we've announced recently is something called the Street Connect. And this is a truly differentiated, a truly unique product. It actually looks like a manhole cover. So it's unobtrusive. It provides a very strong street level coverage and enables densification in a very easy and seamless way for our customers. Another challenge, which is a complement of the outdoor challenge, is the in-building coverage and quality challenge. Here we have just announced the K-Bow. Again, a very smart piece of technology which lets our customers dynamically allocate capacity, manage quality, keep an eye on the quality of service, on the quality of experience in building. And that's very important because a lot of data consumption, if not most of it, actually happens inside a building. And therefore, it's very, very important that there's the right level of coverage, there's the right level of capacity available in building. Let's move on to the Internet of Things. When we speak about the Internet of Things, Kathrein actually has the full suite of hardware, software, and services capabilities to make sure that, for example, our customers optimize their supply chains, that they're able to track the goods no matter where they are, that our customers are able to record the data that's coming out of their distributed assets and to make sense of that data. Very powerful capability which lets customers take cost out, cut out cycle times, and know exactly where their valuable assets are. Very relevant for the enterprise segment for us and for our customers. We then talk about the automobile, the car. And the automobile now is not just a device to get you from point A to point B. It's a communication hub. We, the people, consume a lot of information, a lot of data inside the car. And we as Kathrein are the world leaders in high bandwidth, high quality car and automotive antennas. Indeed, looking into the future, when we talk about autonomous and self-driving cars, we are at the forefront of those developments, of those capabilities, where we work with chip designers, software companies, automakers, to make sure that the autonomous car becomes a reality in a reliable, safe, and highly functional way. And finally, when we talk about 5G, 5G is going to be a game changer. It's going to be a disruptor. It's going to require very different network architectures. As an example, the 5G networks will need to deal with a latency of 1 millisecond. 5G networks will need to be designed for minimal power consumption. We have already developed solutions that are innovative and sophisticated in nature. So we talk about miniaturization of components. We talk about using new advanced materials in antenna construction. We talk about software programmability. We talk about managing tricky problems like heat dissipation in these networks. All in all, when it comes to building 5G networks, when it comes to looking at the future of communication technologies in general, we bring to bear our technology and innovation leadership to help our customers succeed in their businesses.
Kathrein, passion to connect.